Flooring Surfaces began back in the 90s as a wholesale distribution company. In 2003, we opened our doors to the public, added on a retail showroom, and we've been then doing full service installations and everything since then. We're here today in Champaign, Illinois to install some hardwood in a new construction home. Hardwood installations have been getting more challenging lately as our consumer tastes have changed. Everybody wants wider boards, they want longer boards. When you have a board that's 5 inches, 6 inches, 7 inches wide or whatnot, it reduces the number of mechanical fasteners that you can actually put into a floor. That wood floor is going to be allowed to move around, and that wiggle or that movement creates noise. Creaks, pops, snaps, that kind of thing. So the benefit of Glue Assist is that we're backing up our nailing schedule with much more holding power than you can get with just a mechanical fastener. When we decided to embrace glue-assisted installations fully, Pro-MSP was our go-to product.
We find that customer callbacks using a glue-assisted install have reduced dramatically since we've started using Pro-MSP. Some of the reasons I like Pro-MSP is just the flow rate from the caulk gun is very consistent. There's very little what I call drippage once you've actually backed the gun off, and we know it's sticky.
It doesn't form permanent bonds to finishes like urethane finishes, so it's very easy to wipe off, very easy to let dry and then wipe off. There's very little risk when you're using Pro-MSP. We also like that it comes in a sausage tube. When that tube is compressed fully up into its tip, you can throw that away, and you're generating a lot less waste.
I think we find that using Pro-MSP over just a purely stapled floor has just been so beneficial to us as installers.
Bostik is a company that knows how to stick things to other things. So being a partner with Bostik makes it very easy to have access to excellent products that we can trust. We don't have to worry about whether or not we are using an inferior product, whether or not we know something is going to stick or hold. We can just trust that we are using the best thing because it's a Bostik brand.